Hello everyone. In this video, let me show you how to design this about us page with overlapping images. Designing the desktop file is quite easy, but optimizing for tablet and mobile is kind of hard, little troublesome. So let me show you step by step. First, let's design in desktop and let's optimize it for tablet and mobile. Now, let's delete this all and let's add a new section. Maybe this one. Okay, and let's add some paddings, about 200 paddings at the top. 200 paddings at the top, 200 at the bottom, 200 at the bottom. Now first this one. For this, this in the style setting, I'm using the 2021 WordPress theme, so there comes with by default a light green background color, so we have to change it. Now this is now white color. Okay, and now we have to add a title, a text description, a button like this. Okay, and here in the button you have to add some paddings, about 100 pixel. Okay, 100 pixel at the top, 100 pixel at the left, 100 pixel at the right. Okay, now it's little small, so let's increase the column width like this, about 40. About here, about 40%, like this. Okay, here in the heading, so let's say about us. Okay, color, let's try this color, and let's copy this color and paste it here for further later use. And typography, now default is the Roboto, but let's try another Alachi. This one. Font size about 60 pixel. It's okay. And font weight 500. Now here in this one, this color, this background color, that's one I'm talking about. This is default 2022 background color. Don't want it, something like this. Okay, let's leave it. Now edit the button. Let's say learn more. You can insert a link here, and background color for this button, let's copy this color and paste it here like this, similar to this heading. And for the border, there is some border inherited from the theme or somewhere for the button. Maybe this case is my case is not same for all the themes or templates. So if you have border, then you have to follow my steps. If you do not have border color by default, then skip these steps. Here, borders, solid, and change the color to default color, color like this, similar to the background color, or you can reduce the opacity like this. Now and the text color to white like this, and you can add some border radius about 20 like this. Okay, now go to the column settings and style. Let's add some background color of little gray, yeah, like this, yeah, to differentiate from the background white color. Now okay, now it's done for the description about us column. Now let's add image. Yeah, let's choose image like this. One thing you have to be aware of: before you upload the image, you adjust the image according to your needs. Yeah, we do not need large size image, full HD, ultra large images here. So yeah, and this is only 500 by 540 pixels. Let's use this one. Okay, now alignment to the right or center, it doesn't matter. Now okay, sorry, here in the advanced positioning, absolute, now you can click on this here, drag, and yeah, bring up here like this, little alignment with this button like this. And now let's add another image here below and choose another one, insert it. Same for here, positioning, absolute, like this. Now this is little landscape image. It would be nice if it has image. So let's change it. This image does not look good. Change to something like this. Okay. Yeah, it looks better. A square image, it must look better, or portrait image. Here like this. You can put the image like this, drag and drop with absolute positioning. And let's add some border for this one. Border type solid, about 10 pixel, color white like this. Now yeah, as you can see, this is the prototype, almost same with my previous template. Now we just have to add the background image, some shapes here and here. Now for that, let's go to the PPT PowerPoint. Plan presentation. Okay, here let's delete all this, and yeah, save different shape. You can try different shapes or sizes according to your needs. Let me do the circular one. For the symmetrical circular shape, you have to click on shift and drag like this. For the fill color, change color, you have to choose this color contrast to the these colors, color of the image, main color of the image, or the color of this text, titles and buttons. You have to contrast this. A little yellow, orange will be fine. No outline like this. And click on Control and drag here, and the fill, more fill colors, opacity about 60 like this, some sort of shadow. Now click on Control Space or save as, sorry, in downloads, JPEG or PNG, BG, desktop. Okay, save just this one. Now let's go back to here in Elementor, go to the section settings, style, background classic, image, upload image, select files, desktop background. It's only 6 KB, yeah, too small, yeah, it's good. Insert image. Now lots of circular images here, you have to choose one cover like this. Yeah, you can try different colors, different shapes, different symbols according to your needs, but the point is here like this. Now it's done. Now you have designed about a section with overlapping images and shape symbols here like this. Yeah, we are just using absolute positioning. Main point here is absolute positioning, background image, and there is nothing much here. Just our imagination to paint this section with absolute positioning, dragging and dropping according to your needs. Sometimes even we can put this text at the center, images at the left and right according to your needs. You can put these images anywhere you like, overlapping each other, overlapping with this text column, and to make it beautiful, attractive, professional, clean web design. I hope this video is helpful to you when you design website to improve the uniqueness of your website using positioning, overlapping images. Main point here in this video is about overlapping images and use of background color, background image. And I hope this video is helpful to you. In this video I will not talk about the optimizing for mobile and tablet. If you are interested about that, I will make another video about optimizing this section for the mobile or tablet. And I have already saved here in the templates. I have already saved this about section with overlapping images. The previous template that I have shown you before when we start this video. This is not how it looks like. But the point is, I have already saved it, and I can export it. And if you are interested, I will share you this template. It has been optimized for mobile and the tablet. Let me insert you here and show you. Yes. Okay, this is the one that we have just inserted. Let's go for tablet. I have already optimized for the tablet. Now this background color is you can ignore this background color, you can change it. This was left behind from my previous video tutorial. Point is you can just change the background color and use this template. I have already optimized this layout for the tablet. Now go for mobile too. I have already done. yeah, it's not the best, but yeah, the main troublesome thing about absolute positioning is that it look very difficult to arrange in mobile phone small screens. Those look the beautiful designs in desktop, all those are broken down in mobile screens. So yeah, it's little hard, troublesome for the optimizing for the mobile phone. But it's not, doesn't matter. But sometimes, yeah, for example, this widget or this image, when you optimize for mobile phone, you may not find this image in the mobile screen. It may be off the canvas from this screen. Then you will not be able to drag and drop the yeah. But yeah, you can select here. You can select the image widget here, and you can go to advanced and positioning, and you can drag the offset, horizontal offset and vertical offset here, and adjust this positioning. You just you don't need to drag this to for the absolute positioning. You can drag here horizontal orientation and vertical orientation to position the widget. Yeah, this some sort of I experienced it when I try to optimize this widget for the mobile. I couldn't find this widget anywhere in this screen, mobile screen. So I have to here, look at this, it's all broke down. This is what happens when those absolute positioning is seen on mobile screen. Yeah, if you are interested this template, you can leave a comment below, or you can email me. I will share you the JSON file. Thanks for watching again. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe now. Click on the notification bell to the latest updates, and don't forget to leave a feedback, comments in the comments section below.